So hello beautiful people, how are you all doing? So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how to generate your own music or sound here. So before we dive in, listen to this music.
Welcome to the kitchen. It's time.
Guys, you love it, right? Yes, so this music you hear was created or generated by me. Yeah. So most of you love to use music, but sometimes you are scared of copyright. Yeah. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can generate or create your own music for your videos without any issue. I've been using this for a long time, more than, let me say, like a year, and I've never received any copyright yet. So guys, if you are watching me and you are looking forward to create your own song or music here, then this video is for you here. And also, if you are an artist, then this is good for you. You know how to create your lyrics here. If you are an artist, this first step, you don't need it. You need the second step because you already have your lyrics. You know how to go with your lyrics. But if you are like me that you don't know anything about music, that means you need something that can help you generate AI, or you need an app that can help you generate your lyrics here. In this video, we're going to be using AI to generate our lyrics here. So let's dive in. So I'm going to be sharing my screen either on the left or right here. So let's dive into the video. So guys, I have it here. So I'll be explaining from here. So if you see me looking down, that means I'm watching the phone to explain to you here. So guys, let's dive into the video here. So as I always tell you, you see this ball I always roll, that's what I'm going to be using. So wherever I roll it to, that's where you're going to be clicking here. So in this video, we are going to be using Chrome. We are going to be using Chrome here. So first of all, just go on Chrome and then you tap on Chrome, and then you go on the search bar, and then you're going to tap ChatGPT. Then once you type that and it's open for you, you're going to click on the first search that comes out here, and then you're going to open it here. So once you open it, it will ask you to write message. As you can see, my ball rolling. So that's where you're going to make sure you are going to tap whatever you want to create here. Make sure you have your lyrics already, or you can write it here. But me, the sake of the video, I have the lyrics already copied. So I'm going to the prompt already copied. So I'm going to paste it here. Then we are going to allow ChatGPT to generate the lyrics for us, because me, I'm not a music person, so I don't know anything about music here. So I just asked ChatGPT to generate a very simple and nice music for my YouTube cooking videos. That's it. Yeah, very simple. As you can see the prompt here. So with this, how you can generate the prompt the way you want your music to come, how you want your music to come out. That's what this prompt is going to give to you here. So as you can see, it has generated a very nice lyrics for me. So now I have my lyrics here, guys. Very soon I'm going to start promoting. I'm going to start making music. So now, once you've gotten your lyrics, you're going to copy it here, and then we are going to use another AI to generate our music here. So guys, this is very simple and easy here. So if you are watching this video, don't forget to share, like, and comment so others can also see this video and also use it here. So as you can see, I have already copied, and now we are going to open a new search bar here. They say from Chrome here. So in the search bar, we are going to type in Suno AI. Suno AI. Suno AI. So once you tap that into the search bar and you open it, just click on open or search or go here. Then it will bring you to an interface here. So as you can see, there's a lot of interface here, a lot of things here. So you can either download it, or you can do it as you go. Me, I don't have space, so I'm going to download. I'm not going to download, I'm going to use it straight here. So guys, as you can see, this is what I'm going to be using here. You see me rolling. So you tap on it, and then it will bring you to this interface. But guys, before you can come, you need to create. If you don't have an account, you have to open an account here. It will ask you to sign in here or sign up here. So you have to sign up before you can use it here. So that's it here. And also make sure you verify everything they ask you to do, yeah, before you can use it. So once you've signed up and everything, and you want to create, you see me taking I wrote the board to where you are going to create. So this is where you are going to create it, yeah. So you go on create, and then you paste the prompt or the lyrics that you copied. Yeah, you're going to paste it here, and then after we have it here, yeah, it shouldn't be more than 200. Yeah. So once we have our lyrics here, yeah, so we have it here. So after we are going to generate, yeah, you're going to generate, and we are going to create our music here. So you see generate, so you're going to generate it, and then after we have our music, so guys, at this point, as you can see, it's downloading here. So just wait for it to do its magic here. So it's at this point it's loading here. The music is preparing. Yeah, let me say that here. The music is preparing. As you can see, I have a lot of music here, a lot. You see, I've used this this platform very well, and this platform is free to use. Yeah, you don't have to pay anything here, because I'm using it and I've never paid anything, so it's free to use here. So as you can see, you're waiting for it to load here. So at this point it's still loading here. So you wait for it to load, and then we have your music that you can use. Yeah, and guys, I would advise you, if you want to use this, yeah, make sure you already have your videos that you want to post there already in the editing app, whether InShot, CapCut, whatever app you use. Yeah, but with the sake of this, I'm going to be using InShot here. That's what I'm going to be using to save this music here. So guys, at this point you can see that our music has finished loading, or it has finished generating here. So at this point you see there's a three dots behind where the video is at the bottom here. There's a three lines where the video is, or the music is, the first one here. You are going to click on that to download, or if you want to send the one in the middle, that's what you're going to be using to send here. So you are going to click the, I think at this point I was playing it here. So at this point, if you want to download it, you're going to click on the three dots here, the three dots, and the under the video, that's what you're going to click here. You can see the border here. So once you click there, it will then, so this is where you're going to, if you want to send it WhatsApp, if you want to send it to your email, if you want to send it here, this is where you will go. But if you want to download it here, then that's where you would need the three dots here. So you need the three dots, you tap on the three dots, and then it will ask you, and sometimes it takes time, it will keep loading because it's downloading. So you need time. If you don't have time, don't do this. And as you can see, it's loading here, it's loading. So once it's done, you see where it says download. Under it you see audio and you see video. So if you want the music in video, you can download it. If you want it in audio, you download it. Me, I want it in audio, I don't want any video. Yeah, so at this point I think it has finished loading. So we are going to click on it, and then we are going, at this point our music has finished downloading. So now I'm going to start importing it here. So I'm going, as I said, I'm going to be using InShot to do this here. That's what I'm going, the editing app I'm going to be using InShot, but the app I use is CapCut. But in this video I'm going to be using InShot here. So at this point, so ask you to save whatever, you know. iPhone is different, iPhones but if it's Samsung, the moment you download it will go straight to your file, but iPhone is something else here. So at this point, as you can see, I'm going to import it here. As you can see, it's asking you whether you want it as music or you want it as effects here. But me, I want it as music here. So as you can see, I've just imported. So you click on it and you will import it here. So now we have it in our imported, or in our music here. So now I'm going to select a video. I'm going to show you how you can use it here. So this is how you're going to use it here. So guys, some people are disturbing me when they see that you're doing video. That's when they start. Sorry about that here. So then you go to your gallery and you go and select any video that you want to use. So this is the video you see. This is what I want to use. Yeah, I'm going to use it, but it's not the video I'm going to use the song for. But at this moment, this is what I want to use here. This video that you see me with my baby, yeah, that's what I'm going to be using. So here, as you can see, I have the video. So if you don't want people to hear any background sound of the video, you want them to hear only the music, then you have to mute your video before you import. Yeah, guys, sorry, people are disturbing me when they see that you are that's when they start. So guys, so you are going to So you're as I said, yes. So you mute it first before you import. Then you go to music here. You go to music. Then you're going to import it here. It's very simple and straightforward here. Very as because people were disturbing me, I couldn't explain it more. But if you follow the arrows here, it will explain everything to you. So at this point, I've imported it here. We have our music here there. And if you feel like maybe your video is longer than the music, make sure you know how to do it. You have to duplicate it here until you have the video and the music are on the same length. Yeah, that's how you can do. And if you think the video is longer, yeah, this music is longer than your video, like mine, just cut or delete the excess part of the music. Just delete it. Yeah, as you can see me, I'm going to be deleting the excess part. And then after this point, you have your music, guys. Is this not amazing? This is very simple and easy. And guys, one thing I love about this is that you can, even if depending on the video that you want to post, you can create your sound or your music. You can create depending on the video. If you want to create like a shopping video, you can ask the prompt chat GTP to create the prompt for you depending on the video. This is what I love about this app here. And after you take it to this Suno AI, and it would generate for you. Is this not amazing? So if you have watched this video to this part, please don't forget to share, like, and comment. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can notification bell. So anytime I upload any videos, you will be notified. Thank you for watching. Bye.